will tell you why it cannot be done. 99.9% people will tell you why it cannot be done.
Hello, everybody. I am Kunal Manakchand. Welcome to KM Talks. The first interview of the series is here today. By the way, if you're watching this on Facebook, like the page. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my page because we will be having wonderful, wonderful people with us who will inspire you like hell. Okay, because I am inspired by them. I want them to inspire you as well. So today's guest is a wonderful, wonderful human being. With him, I have spent at least like 3 days. So he has a vast experience of over 14 years in sales and business development, and he has worked with organizations like HDFC, Birla, Reliance, VIG India at senior management positions. You might be wondering कि इसके बाद क्या हुआ है. The story is awesome. Let us wait. He's also a founder of Lux Group of companies. He is the brain and soul of one of the biggest upcoming startups of India, that is Global Garner. Under his remarkable and acute leadership, Global Garner is looking to empower people, create more than 1 million, that is 10 lakh sustainable job opportunities by 2020. Wow, this is going great. So Mr. Vikas Rawat, I present before you all Mr. Vikas Rawat, one of the inspirational leaders. So Mr. Vikas Rawat, how are you and how do you feel?
I'm all good. I'm all good, and as ever,
As
Krish.
ever, okay. So Vikas Rawat is a passionate leader and a motivator with a ability to develop vision of the company he manages. I am actually spellbound by his achievements. Let us see what more he has to offer to you all. So my first question, Vikas Bhaiya, to you is, how do you want the world to remember Vikas Rawat as?
I think I will always be. I would always be people should remember me as a good salesman, because this is something which has taken me places. So, of course, the salesman word is not celebrated in India, but I think he is the only guy who actually works for everyone. But this word is not celebrated that much. So, I would like myself to be known as a good salesman. Whenever anyone talks about a salesmanship, it should be that, okay, yes, this guy was the guy who actually celebrated the salesmanship. And Global Garden is all about salesmanship only.
Wow, 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 wow. It was really nice to listen. I sometimes see your calendar posts and sometimes see your meetings, your Facebook updates and lives and all. You seem to be busy throughout the day. So first thing is congratulations कि आजकल जो busy होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा successful होते हैं. And I just want to know that secret, that how do you plan and execute? See, people plan, but they never execute. Maybe ऐसे ही करता हूँ. Even I fall under that category. So what is that secret?
I think secret is nowhere there. In most of my interviews and whenever I go to any seminar, I have always spoken this line. The entrepreneurship is not logical thing to do. It never has a logic. It is not an intelligent decision that you take in your life. Because I have been into corporate also. Now I am running my company also. If you talk about taking point by point, a person should never be an entrepreneur. It's something is which where your passion comes into, then it is that you become an entrepreneur. It is never
Okay.
a money that influences you to become an entrepreneur. It would be something really different. I talk to many people whenever I go to any college or students keep on asking me, sir, if we become an entrepreneur, how much money we can make, this and that. And I tell them every time, entrepreneurship is not about making money. It is about your passion. It is about your passion. Like I have a passion for salesmanship. I have never even walked into any of the college, and today I have worked with the companies like SDFC, Birla, where even MBAs are not getting entertained. It is all because of my salesmanship that am getting all this today. So I think my base point would always be like, if you have passion for anything, you get time.
Exactly.
Whatever you do in life, you should have passion. That's it.
So the takeaway for all our listeners is be passionate about what you do. If you do not have any one passion, first find your passion and then work on it. So Mr. Vikas Rawat, let me give a big this thing now. I think your company is valued right now at somewhere around 216 crores, right?
Right, right.
Oh my God, 216 crores, a wonderful figure. And I get to know that you are the CEO and the brainchild of something big called as Global Garner. So this is a wonderful startup. And to our viewers, I would want to know three important factors that transform an idea into a reality. See, even I have got many ideas ke ye kar lenge, wo kar lenge, ye kar lenge, but it never succeeds. So three important factors that would transform an idea into reality and which would help our viewers to reach that 200 crore mark which you have reached today.
I think first of all, valuation is something which is only for the world to tell. Rest, everything is with you only, right? And the again, I'll say the idea to what you say to the reality is only by doing it daily.
Okay.
If you do whatever you have decided daily, you have to do it daily. You might have some problems, you might have something. Don't go that you want to do every different things daily. Your destination is same. Yes, you can take different path. If one path is not working, you take another. Another is not working, take another. But somehow I have seen that the the first hurdle that people face, they drop their idea there only.
Yes.
So the most of the time I tell people is that just focus, and not only people, I tell this to myself also, that I have to do it daily. Be someone is listening to me or not. You might have seen me on Facebook or whatever doing all I do all these stuff, and I've seen the great results. I started this company with only a capital of 3.08 lakh rupees, and that too it was a loan from a credit card. So from there we have started the journey, and today in just 3 years time or 4 years time, we are 200 plus crore company, and of course we have a bigger mission that we want to become world's biggest by 2022, March 2022. So it has to be a mad run. It has to be mad run, and it has to be daily.
Okay.
Don't need a variety when you are building something really big, right?
Wonderfully told. Wonderfully told. You don't need to have a variety because do not change your goal. You might change the strategy. That is what you're trying to say, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, coming back, right from the ideation, you might have got this idea somewhere, like the Newton के सर पे apple गिरा था, आपके सर पे भी कभी apple या phone गिरा होगा. So right from the ideation to valuation, what is one important thing that has made you win always? Means हर एक चीज पे आपको जीत कैसे हासिल हुई है?
I think the only thing that what people have told me, like whoever gets associated me has only said one thing to me, because by I don't know about what would be the future or whatever, but I like your passion about Global Gardener.
Okay.
Everybody who has like you also told that you were with me for 3 days. I'm sure you must have seen, because it comes within me. It has Global Gardener is me. Almost
Okay.
2 years back, we were offered 51% stake at 350 crore rupees cost, but and at that time they were valuing us more than 700 crore, and it was just a start of the company.
Wow,
So,
wow.
but then we never wanted to sell our equities and this and that. So, and today we are running our company successfully, and it is the passion. That the passion. The one word that defines everything is passion.
Passion changes, and a passion is one thing which defines. And what you told was really important कि short term goals के लिए long term vision को मत छोड़ो. So you
Exactly.
always wanted the long term goal for Global Gardener, and with this vision I understand that you told me that you were a super salesman. And now how easy or hard was it to come from the super salesman to create a super salesman ecosystem? And can you throw light on Global Gardener ecosystem as well? So that is important for us.
Look, Global Gardener's ecosystem is simple. We are creating a self-sustainable sales ecosystem where now anyone can bring their product and we will sell it for them. Because now today, if you see in market, every vendor, every businessman needs what? Sales. Everyone. But today there is not even a single company where you can get a prepaid sales service also. where you can just walk into a company and you can tell, okay, you take this 10 lakh rupees check and give me a crore rupees sale. There is no company. Whereas you are offered many things which might influence, underline this, which might influence sale, and those are on a very premium cost, which is marketing, training, your paid listing, your advertisement budgets, your staff also. So what we are doing is we are cutting short everything and we are telling to the vendor or the businessman that you give your product, your services to us. We will deliver you results. Only on results, Global Garner is going to charge you something. And it is both offline and online. So
Okay.
we bridge that gap between online and offline also. So that is the biggest USP of Global Garner, that we will sell, there would be a person selling your product without you paying him anything, because he is part of our ecosystem.
System. Okay. So as you were a super salesman, you might have got some loopholes. So you wanted to exploit those loopholes and turn it into a wonderful career for yourself,
Of
is
course,
it?
because salesmanship, as I already told you, that salesman is something which no one wants to do. If I
Okay.
call myself salesman, my wife says, "Yeah, you are now a CEO. At least stop calling yourself a salesman,"
Okay.
because somehow this salesman shabd is taken very negatively, or it is a very down profile for everyone. But I think this is the thing that everyone wants.
Yes.
No company can run without sales. No idea, no nothing. Sales is the core of everything, but it is like air. We do not respect air, whereas we respect Wi-Fi today.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. Exactly.
So it
Wonderful.
is, sales is the air that we need to breathe, but what we more focus and what we more value is the Wi-Fi.
So Vikas Bhaiya, the journey would have been awesome. Say zero, say 10 crores, 10 crores, say 20, 20, say at 200. So as an entrepreneur, I would want to ask you, how important is it to implement old concepts or new concepts which we don't know into our business line? Because everybody wants to be successful.
Again, I'll say it will totally depend on what experiences you are having in your business, because whenever you will start, the idea when you will start, it will change during the course of whatever time duration you are spending with that idea, because you yourself will find many flaws in your own idea also. It is not that your idea is perfect on the day one. It gets perfect slowly and gradually when people come in, because it has to affect lives of many. And when many people are involved, like in Global Garner, we are an evolving company. We go by an idea. An idea was a very small thing, but now when we are implementing it, it is gradually becoming bigger and bigger day wise. Because as I already told you that this company had a very humble start, which was 3 lakh rupees loan, and then we started this company. So it was not a very and I didn't have that background that when my mom is going to bringing money or whatever. I already lost my dad when I was 16, but it was the only idea and the passion that I have to do it, and that therefore things are happening, and now people are coming in and everybody is contributing to the cause.
Wonderful. So to our viewers, if you want to know more about Global Garner, I will be attaching the link below. So you can go and see how awesome Global Garner is. And also, if you want me to interview as well like this, please book your appointment. The link will be shared. So going ahead with Vikas Bhaiya. So I am also young and I'm also dynamic. So what would be your final message? One of the final message के आज के इस जनरेशन के बिजनेसमैन को आप देना चाहते हो, because people always are like wanting to look for shortcuts. You told that don't wait for perfection, just start. We can make it perfect through the process, right? So what will be one important message that a businessman should take to his bed today ताकि वो एक विकास की तरह ऊपर आ जाए?
Not as Vikas. Vikas is too small right now. It is not that big. But yes, what I tell to my team is I always write this on every message that I draft today. It is be ziddi and keep walking,
Yes, yes, yes.
because people will tell you why it cannot be done. 99.9% people will tell you why it cannot be done, because they have not tasted that success themselves. Because they have not tasted that success for themselves, they advise the same thing to you,
Yes.
right? So you have to be very ziddi with your idea and you have to keep on walking. Cover that 1 degree daily. I'm not asking to cover the entire mile in a one day. Just cover that 1 degree daily. Climb that 1 degree and you will cover your 360 degree in 360 days.
That is what, be better than what you were yesterday and don't be better than what you will be tomorrow. So always, this is a very important message. So now it is time to know more about, not know more about. So Global Gunner, as you told, is a wonderful ecosystem. You're wanting to give employment to at least 72 lakh people, I believe, like 72 lakh people all around India. Yeah, even I have researched a lot about Global Garner. Yes, wonderful. I wish that this becomes one of the unicorn startups of India. So one takeaway for our viewers, what can you give them from your company to them?
Anything like I think our company itself is something really big for all users because there is almost 210 lakh crore which is going wasted every year in India.
Okay.
210 lakh crore rupees which is going wasted. What we are going to do in Global Garner is it is the garnering of the economy that we are doing. So therefore, we will generate something really big for the users, which is the cashbacks that we are getting into.
Yes.
So any user can just join in Global Garner, and more for your channel. Of course, we can give them some good GG coins when they join us,
Yes.
and
Yes.
you can give them share them our link. So
Okay.
they can have 1,000 GG coins and they can use it on our platform, and then they can enjoy the benefits.
Wonderful. Now, if you want to know what is this GG coins, GG money, and how this all ecosystem works, Mr. Vikas Rawat has a wonderful YouTube channel wherein he has explained everything in detail. I will be sharing the same link below as well. So I think you will be sorted with Global Garner. So this was our first interview with a person who is almost valued for 200 plus crores, a dream, a reality, a wonderful beginning. Thank you, Mr. Vikas Rawat, for joining us. So you can ask our subscribers to like and share so that we can bring more and more people like you here. You were the first one, so I'll remember you for all my life. And so you can give a final message, and then you will have to like and subscribe. And if you want to be interviewed, follow the link below, and we will do it with you also. So Vikas Bhaiya, over to you.
I think, of course, Kunal is a great guy. I met him almost, I guess, 2 months back,
Yeah,
and
before the
he
lockdown.
was
Before the
as
lockdown.
energetic before the lockdown. Actually, we met, and it was a wonderful day. And the way he plans everything, it is simply superb. The detailing he does is something really good. So a very short duration we met, but I think he's a great guy. And when he approached me for this, I was more than it was. कहते ना इस मेरे लिए ये काफी बड़ी बात थी that he wanted to start with me. So thank you Kunal for choosing me as your first one. So first one are always remembered. So thank you very much, and of course you all should subscribe to him, and of course we will also just give me this recording. I'll share
Yeah,
it with my page, and people will follow you. And for
wonderful,
that,
wonderful.
wow, what people who want to know more about Global Garner, they can follow the wow. So
Yeah, I'll
wow
put the
is
link below.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll put all the links below, so you will have to follow. So be there, be awesome. So go and do not sleep. Always be ziddi. Keep walking, as our Vikas Rawat sir tells. You know what? His morning success mantra, I know that. He wakes up before the sun. He wakes up before the sun. He sees the sun rise, and he always feels mightier in this world. So even you, if you start doing this, many people like Robin Sharma also promote the 5 a.m. club. So what does that mean? That he has to wake up before the sun. So if you are something who want to change the world, wake up before the sun, be a world class. Do not go for something cheap. Be a world class, and this will be the takeaway from the KM talks today. So if you want everything, everything is in the link below. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vikas Bhaiya. Have a great day.
Thank you, Kunal. Thank you.
Thank you so much. मैं भी
No
पहली
issue.
बार पहली बार इतने बड़े आदमी का इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ, थोड़ा नर्वस हो रहा हूँ मैं.